today we're just going to run through some basic mobility drills to make you nice and comfortable on the bicycle and improve and maintain your flexibility and mobility. First one's a thoracic rotation. This is to improve mobility in your upper back. You're going to get you kneeling down, knees nice and wide apart, hands on the floor, sit back towards your heels. You're going to place your hand on the back of your head, breathe out, and then rotate up towards the sky and then back down again. You're going to do 5 reps each side, and then swap. Being conscious that you're trying to get that movement through the middle of your back, and you're breathing out as you rotate up. All those cyclists out there will find this one fairly restricted. And then we'll get you into a bridge, and we're going to try and open up the hips now, and also try and get a little bit of nice stretch through the chest. Because being hunched over on the bike for long periods, these muscles get nice and tight. So hands back behind you, feet flat on the floor. We're going to drive up through the hips, looking towards the sky, and then lower your bum back to the floor. So driving your hips up, head up to the sky, and then bum back to the floor. Just going to do 5 of these. Put your glasses on if the sun's getting in your eyes. And then back down to the floor. Into our first standing exercise, nice and simple. This is for the hamstrings, and again rotation of the upper spine, your thoracic spine. Feet nice and wide apart. Gently walk yourself down towards the floor, so you're starting to feel a stretch up through your hamstrings. Walk yourself forwards, out to a nice strong push-up position. You're going to kick your left leg forward, keeping your chest up. You're then going to rotate up towards the sky. Bring the arm back down, kick the leg back out behind you, and nice and slowly walk yourself all the way back up to standing, and then come slowly down again, stretching through the hamstrings. Walk forward, kick that right leg forward this time, rotate up to the ceiling or sky, blue sky in my case, kind of, and then back down, kick that foot back out behind you, and then gently walk back up. Next one, big exercise for opening up that hip and opening up the upper back. Feet together, we're going to step back into extension, arms nice and straight, opening up the hip through here and really reaching through your back, and then bring the feet back up together. We're going to do 5 reps on one leg. And then 5 out on the other. Keeping the back knee just off the floor. Good, and then last one, we're going to take your feet out nice and wide so your adductors can get quite tight also when you're pedaling. So feet out nice and wide, and all we're going to do is transfer that body weight out of the one leg, arms out in front, so you're getting a nice stretch down the inside of that straight leg, back up to the middle, and then out the other side. Only 8 reps in total, so it's nice short rep ranges. Reason being is once you've done one through, you can then go through again. And this can be done in conjunction with some stretching, some foam rolling. It can be done before or after your cycling session, whether that's indoor on the bike, or if you're lucky enough to be outside somewhere like this, outside in the heat. Perfect.